Struggling to organize files in your Mac? Here are 5 ways to create your folders from keyboard shortcuts to journal. So let's see the 5 methods how to do this for now. So method 1, let's see the keyboard shortcut first. Method 1. So to do this, we need to Finder. And then we press Shift Command N. Let's see, create a folder. That's the fastest. An example. Or the other way you can just right click on your trackpad mouse and hit New Folder. And you take example, type whatever folder you want. Method 3, you will do the following finders. We're going to go to File, New Folder. And then type whatever folder you want to. We can also do the new folder and see that we're going to show me on no text edit sometime soon. So with text edit, go right sample tag, Command S, go back to the sample desktop. And you can press new folder here. You can also need a folder too. Pretty simple. The method 5, we can also make dir too. So let's see that now. So we're going to go to the tab. Dir example. You can test your ways lines as well, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna make dir-p. We can also use -p for nested for example 2. I can put wherever I want. And there we go, we got it. And that's the 5 ways of how to create folders on macOS. So if you like this tip, hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button down below, and leave a comment of which method you use most. And as always, in what other macOS bases you want to learn next. And as always, have a great day.